guys, we just arrived in Marrakesh. We're in Marrakesh airport. This is relatively new, I feel like. This is so beautiful. Yeah. We're waiting for our hotel shuttle to pick us up, and here we go, our Marrakesh adventure. Early day today. Long day already. It's only like 12. Yeah. This is our little room. Me and Jeremy decided to sleep separately. Yeah, we need more space. Too much time together. This is our little backyard. And we can go all the way up. I'll show you guys in a second to the terrace. I'm so bored. I can lay here all day. Look at who's in our roof deck. Little kitty. You cutie. All the cats here are so skinny and they look really mean. Look like a tiger. We're in this cute little restaurant. We're about to get lunch. Like, this is so cute. Our outfit today. Mint tea. Oh, be careful. Pit stop about ATV ride. We're also very dusty. Look at my face. Ugh.
The camel ride in the road, not the desert.
We have a shopping list, and these are the things that we need. Here's my shopping bag. So fun. Drinking mint tea. We're making tagine today. Look how pretty is this space though. Hard at work. I can do it, so the professional doing the chocolate. Oh wow. My job is to chop this olive. I will do more. 20 minutes after. Just kidding. Maybe 5. I think these are finally chopped, right? Is this chopped? Good. Good? Yay! Good shit. So we just put all the garlic and marinated lemon into the olives. Meanwhile, we have the tomato sauce base for the tagine. Teaspoon?
Teaspoon. Doesn't have to be exact. This is how real chefs do it. They don't actually measure. Just an approximation.
Okay, okay.
Not that I heard.
Jeremy is in his element right now.
Just by feeling.
Yeah,
I taste.
he loves cooking.
Quarter teaspoon.
Ooh, rice? We're making sardine to Jeremy. Moroccan sushi. Whoa.
Hey guys, this is some Moroccan sushi coming to you live.
That's nice. Moroccan rice.
Here's the rice with all the Moroccan spices. Yum.
I can eat.
Sardines. Swim, little fishies, swim.
Little tagine. Cooking. Look at this amazing thing. That looks so good. Do you hear us listening? Work, 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 work. Making some dessert. We have walnut, dates, almonds, figs, raisins. Oh, raisins.
I need
My job is chocolate, guys.
no need to make this because it's sticky.
Dried fruits with chocolate. Oh, yum. I can lick that. Just give me a bowl of that. I'll eat it all. Oh, we made these two. Yeah. This is eggplant salad, zucchini salad, carrot salad. Looks good. Shelby's getting a henna. It's like not so quick.
Do you want to try it?
No, I don't really like it. I don't know why. I guess I'm doing it. We're in Garden Majorelle. I think I say it correctly. I don't know. Majorelle? I don't know how to pronounce any of this place. The line was so long. We waited for like an hour. Oh, 30 minutes top. Was it 30? No, it was 30. This person was so upset because the line wasn't moving.
We got him on at 10:05. It's 10:25.
Alright, let's go. Almost died.
Careful.
Why are people so selfish? This is so bad. Please don't do this. If you watch my videos, please don't. Hey guys, I look super relaxed right now. I just got a massage. Today is our last day in Marrakesh, Morocco, and we're heading to Porto. So we decided to end our trip with a bang, which is a massage. And we did hammam, which is like really popular here. You have to do it when you're in Morocco. It's basically a full body scrub or exfoliation. They pour black salt all over your body, black salt water, and then kind of let that soak in for 10 minutes, and then they will scrub you down full body. It feels so amazing. You guys have to do it if you guys ever in Morocco. We actually did it in our Riyadh, so it's actually, I mean, if you guys, yeah, just like check out your Riyadh to see if they have any like local massage. They definitely have it. I feel like a lot of Riyadhs definitely, it's one of the attraction, I feel like. Basically they scrub you for like 30 minutes, and after that I got a full body massage for an hour, and it was one of the best massages I ever had. I'm in my full zen mode right now. My voice is like deep and like slow, and this is like totally not what I sound like in real life. My experience for Morocco is pretty good. I really liked it. I really like souk, the marketplace. It is very overwhelming, so you just have to get used to it. People start like, you know, asking you to buy this, and just like a lot of people go into your face, and you just have to get used to it. But I really like souk because I don't know if I pronounced it correctly, so if I don't blame me, okay? You just like to be careful with scams, and like you have to talk your prices down because they always overcharge you first. Our hotel actually told us that you have to mark your price down, like kind of like haggle with them for like 40-50% off. But as I said, today's gonna be our last day in Morocco, so I'm gonna end my vlog here. I never really do like an outro for vlogs, but this is the first one. Anyway, if you guys like this video, please do give me a thumbs up and definitely subscribe down below to LazzzySundaze. Thanks for watching. Bye.